5 Best PC Cases. Number 5. Corsair Carbide Spec 01. Large side panel window. USB 3.0 front port. Cable routing and CPU cooler backplate motherboard cutouts. Seven PCIe slots with room. Long graphics cards up to 420mm long. Dust filters for front and PSU intake. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Phanteks Enha Pro M. Better performing SP series fans. Brushed aluminum look. Clean interior, hidden PSU. Three different installation areas. Reservoir mounting locations. The Pro M will give you unlimited possibilities. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Phanteks Eclipse P400S. Steel exterior and chassis. Internal RGB lighting. Ability to upgrade to additional fans as possible. Supports water cooling radiators. FurX modular HDD brackets. Strategically placed dust filters. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Corsair Carbide Air 540. Dual chamber direct airflow path design. Outstanding cooling potential. Space-saving design still offers lots of internal volume. Item weight, 16.3 pounds. Full side panel window. Cable routing cutouts with rubber grommets. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. NZXT S340. Compact and functional design. 90% steel construction. Full compatibility with our Kraken Series X31. Illuminated LED power button. Steel-plated audio jacks. Over 20 cable management points. Please check the description for detail and price.